Obum's blog as na agadi nwanyi amoham na chọrọ ikpo onwe agadi nwanyi na-agwa ofe ịma na nwa obere oge mmadụ kwuo amaghọkwu na asị na akparị ya n'ụlọ mana amamife agadi nwanyi dọkayo anyị ji wee respect onwe everyday ka ya apụta na Facebook akụzayon this akụzayon that amoham na akụzayon ọzọbiri mpụta ede ịma ebe ịkwụ and gbadosie anya ike na-edefend onye na-edefend all this while. Look at you na-ekwu na akụzayon na 18 division among our people. Sometimes ị na-ekwu ifela ada emeghị n'ọnụ na ide ekwe. Ị na-ekwu ifela ahụ emeghị n'ọnụ na ị na-ekwe. You have been supporting somebody in all these things and we know who you are supporting. Your body language speaks it all. It was you who came to Facebook to announce business deal in akụzayon na mmadụ mere. What is your business there? What is your business there? Have you ever seen akụzayon come out on Facebook to address anybody? I am asking you. Have you ever seen akụzayon or buy camera phone or buy ring light put on Facebook or not address somebody? Have you ever seen him? Have you ever seen him mention the name of any blogger at all in a live broadcast here or in any video me post to? Since him and Omebuhe, are you saying that people who are loyal to him cannot defend him when people are constantly dragging his name? Look at the mere mention of Alpha Bebioko. The whole bloggers from Ebonyi State spoke. In fact, they even somebody took Ebonyi son even started calling out Ebu Igwe because Ebu Igwe did not say anything. Advice one people have respect. The whole bloggers spoke the moment Bebioko's name was mentioned. Imagine if it continues. They are all going to rise up. They all spoke against, or have you seen? It wasn't Bebioko responding directly, but people they respond on his behalf. And it can happen to any other big man. The moment Natefan Yoba's name was mentioned, people, right? Vinicius Bo, it is the same everywhere. Una aparisino ngono too much. Una aparisino ngono. Una aparisino ngono. Happen akụzayon kono ilo ngwe no so be home protected on. Gona akụzayon aha so onye wu ka nwe ego. Gona aha so onye nwere ego enwe. Respect ya no ngono. Every day na akpụrụ afa nwoke mmadụ enweghị ife omere ụnụ na akpụrụ ya n'ọnụ ụtụtụ ehihie n'abalị akụzayon ịchọọ ya okwu warrant he use police, he will use police. Police in this country is known for maintaining law and order, maintaining peace, law and order. So ọwụ na ịchọọ ya okwu ya require he use law enforcement n'ebe nọ, he will gladly use it. He's not the first one, he's not the only big man that has ever arrested people. There are a lot of big men that has arrested numerous people. He will get you arrested. He get by. He clear your own way. After na Facebook, it disgrace you associating yourself with all this fight and again on Facebook. Yet you are claiming to be neutral. You are claiming to be neutral. Why we know who you are supporting every day? Akụzayon this, akụzayon that, akụzayon this, akụzayon that. We don't know the caringos. Okay, you now go for it. I want them mother pata ile oketa. Asna na bari agadi wine. Respect kwa no nwe ka agadi wine. You came out wopota video see onye ji akụzayon ji ụgwọ. You said all manner of rapping imeru na. E na agba nwatakịrị no ilo nwe wo. Ị na-agba onye nọ ilu onwe ewu debe ahụ na ịmaghị ife ị na-eme idebe ahụ na ịmaghị ife ị na-eme ọwụ na ikwurie respond to you esi na mkparị but it was you who started it. It was you who started it. You casted the first stone. Abi after you now esi na mmadụ na-akparị gị or esi na-ekwu okwu akụzayon. What is your business in that particular voice note or video ị posturu ebe ị na-akụgheri amam na onwere ife go na akụzayon na azọ. Look at you in all over Facebook, they defend DJ Park. Among no J Park, Porogo, among no J Park, assign logo. The same way, OGC defend the akụzayon, he said defend DJ Park, left, right, and center. That same way, Ebonyi son has you weapota, they defend the Bebioko. That same way, a lot of people use weapota, they defend the Onyenkeha. Now, this blew up. If you no chodewelu konyo na wopu onu eba akụzayon no onu wo la fe we to nubu wo la fe we to fora, it cannot work. Yes, and when people believe in him, and when people do loyal to him, when you come after him, you come after those people. Akụzayon doesn't really need to respond to you. Only a lot of people who are there to respond to you. No one equal. So that does not call what you go when I bring this unity among Igbos. Look, let me tell you. Look, let me tell you. ABC Transport, I'm Madunine, Nabamote, and GUO, I'm Madunine, Nabamote. And even now, well, the young Madunine Alahana Hotel, Canali, na Lagos, Ojioko is Madunine Anone. So the real people who are patronizing those products, they don't make noise like you. You don't even drink it. Most of you who are coming out to talk about zero bitters, you don't even drink zero bitters. Some of you don't even drink alcohol. So why are you bringing Akuzayon personality to his brand? People are ngoye. Let me tell you, Coca-Cola Madunine Nangu Coca-Cola and Deva Water Amoro Madunine Nangu Eva Water. Stop hating on a man that has done absolutely nothing to you. Because when you come after him, people will come after you. I hope you know. The same way you are defending J-Pack, there are people who are ever ready to defend Akuzayon. Let me tell you, go and bring one single video where Akuzayon is calling out any blogger. You can't find it anywhere. You can't find it anywhere on Facebook. But that is the truth you people don't want to say. Why can't you advise people to respect themselves? Why can't you advise people to respect themselves? J-Pack started dragging Akuzayon first without Akuzayon doing anything to him. Who calls each other out first? It's the only way Ajujua. It's that your way Ajujua. You take that advice and pocket it in your pocket. I got the one in our warfare. It was Kunisi Abali on. I got the one in our warfare. If you put a romance, J-Pack cannot get a son, Nana Barrego, not gonna mourn your age. But you cannot respect yourself. If it is a romance, they Wajalu, living at Arab. In a advice, Emily, you feel like this. Where are they advice on you? Emily, you feel like this. Where are they advice on you? Every day, you put on Facebook, Akuzayon this, Akuzayon that, Akuzayon this, Akuzayon that. What is the? Tell me what is the problem if Ogeshi is defending Akuzayon? Is it a button? Yeah, is it a button? Every but half will be Kuban anyhow on Facebook. Came on who blogger say after you. But half a Kubana chief priest. Okay, the man don't deliberate about Kubana chief priest arrest him. Go ferry. And if I know people who came and started attacking so many bloggers, including me, for just stating what happened and not even taking side. Yes, I'm not even taking side. Ono ya machi ezioku no ndo onye ona gbafusi ebe Akuzayon no. Hello? Na apụta anọ ma ebe a. Na apụta ya afụzi m. Yes. Ịmachakwa nke wee eziokwu mana ịchọghị ikwu ya. Ebe unu chọrọ ụka onye ọ na-agbafusi ya hapụ Akuzayon ka unu rie ka ji. His own will not be different. We are always here to stand by him and defend him. We will not allow you people to blackmail him. We will not allow you people to boye bubo. We will not allow you people to say all manner of things with his name. Akuzayon is a human being. And we're people who loves him as much as you love those people you are defending. Take that advice and pocket it in your pocket. Okay, you're now warfare.